This kit comes with a hardcover book, 24 ready-to-decorate pre-stuffed monkeys, 24 ready-to-decorate journals, pencils, fabric markers, and a lesson plan with tips and ideas for different possibilities. With Creative Reads, you can provide a themed, hands-on experience. You'll complement your story time and introduce kids to project-based learning. These kits are designed for pre-K through 3rd grade, and every kit comes with an award-winning book and a lesson plan. The story and craft can be completed in under an hour, but can be adjusted based on grade and ability. Each child receives a journal and a pencil for extended exploration. The lesson plan even comes with prompts to support deeper learning. One of the prompts asked about the problem in the story, asks, did the story have a problem? What was the problem? And how was it solved? Talking about problems and solutions. If your classroom is ready for the S&S Creative Reads Book and Activity Kit with standards-aligned lesson plans, visit ssww.com.